So on Motor Rally here today, we're doing a little town POV drive. Just a short, you know, probably about 5 minutes video. Just a little drive to finish off February with daily uploads. Yeah, basically we did some daily uploads for half the month of February. Shout out to everyone who does daily uploads because they are painful. Now they're not painful, it's honestly, right, it's just so much time you consumed into it. It's actually quite fun though, however. That's the good thing about that's the good thing about daily uploads, is you invest quite a lot of your time into making videos daily, and it is quite fun. Shout out to everyone who does daily uploads, man. Like, it is a difficult task to do. It is very difficult. And why is there a guy just stopped right here? Biker gang. But yeah, honestly, it's been quite a good month. 89 subscribers. Jeez, you guys are mental. It's only been 2 months as well, and I'm nearly at 100. Can we just push for that last 100? That'd be sick. Like, that last 100 subscribers would be amazing. Why is it so bright down here? But yeah, honestly, what's down here? Having a little tour.